Key aspects of affiliate marketing success. Partnering with an affiliate marketing company is a great method of creating a second stream of income on your website. In order for your affiliate marketing program to be successful, you must know and incorporate the right information. The following tips have been used by many experienced affiliate companies to make their programs more successful. If you have a website for your business, your domain name should be on everything that you own. Use your own personal vehicle, t-shirts, stationery, email signature and more, to constantly put the name of your website out there. Constant reminders will stick in people's heads and make them want to look it up. Affiliate marketing entails many tasks, some hard and some easy. You should always tackle the hardest and longest tasks first if you want to be productive. By doing this, you will be able to coast through the easier tasks, ending your workday on a good, strong note. Plus, handling the tougher tasks first allows you to get more of them done per day. Affiliate marketers should understand that there's a huge difference between clicking through a link to visit a page and actually paying for a product. This means you need to focus on the quality of your content and on the quality of the products you select. It is not enough that visitors click. They have to buy. To get better results from your affiliate links, use only contextual links. Pages containing contextual links are more likely to garner results from search engines. Visitors are also more likely to click links if the text around them relates to the product. Promoting a product in the text around a link can significantly encourage purchases. You should find that the tips provided in this video will be a huge help in forming a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Continue to read about marketing information, and stay current with trends for the most positive results. Have affiliate marketing supplement the other income you already receive from your website's offerings. You will achieve multiple objectives this way. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.